Welcome to Groot Garden. Today I wanted to talk about pollination. As you can see, most of you face this problem that you develop the fruit and after some time it dies. Like you were waiting for it to grow and into a beautiful vegetable, but it didn't work out. So the reason why this happens is because, see, if you have a house that's in the ground level where you have a garden, there you would not be facing this problem, okay? And nowadays gardeners like us who like growing a tiny garden in our balcony, even if we are in the 5th floor or 6th floor, doesn't matter. So for us it's very difficult to get these pollinators, and without these pollinators the pollens would not be transferred to the female stigma. As a result, you would not form any fruit. There would not be any fruit formation. So what should you do for this kind of a problem? Let me show you what I do. I personally recommend to all the gardeners that this is something which would surely give you 100% fruiting. So you just need to take a brush, okay? And let me explain you first how the male flowers look and how the female flowers look. Then I guess it would be clear to you on how you can do the pollination and how does this pollination work. Okay, so let me take you around. Okay, this is my cucumber plant. Right now I only have this plant where I can show you with an example on how you can differentiate between a male and a female flower and how the hand pollination is done. So let me show you a diagram first so that it's easier for you to understand. Now you can see over here that this is a male flower and the one on the right is the female flower. The male flower doesn't have a base, and whereas you can see that the female flower has an elongated base which looks like a fruit. And this is the case with most of the plants like gourds, pumpkins, cucumbers. So it's very easy to differentiate. Just keep in mind that male flowers don't have a base and female flowers have a base that looks like a fruit. Okay, now let me show you how the hand pollination is done. Can you see this male flower? So we'll take a brush and gently rub the brush on this flower to the stamen, that is the center part of the flower, so that the pollens can be transferred to this brush. You can even pluck out this flower and pull out all the petals and then stick the semen to the female stigma. But I find this method to be convenient, so I prefer this. I have this pollens transferred here on this brush now, but I don't think you can see it clearly in this video. It's a tiny, very tiny actually, yellow powdery substance which are the pollens, and this is what needs to be transferred to your female flower. Now these are my female flowers which I had, but as I have already done this process 2 days back, so I can't shift these pollens, but this is for you to understand that how you can take the pollens and place it in the female flower. So I rub the brush gently on the center of the flower which we had here, and be careful with it. We don't want to lose the flower in this process, so be very gentle with it. Now after this is done, within a span of 5 to 6 days, you will see the fruit growing. This is then when you know that your pollination was successful. Well, I wanted to give you an example by showing you one of my rich gourd plants. This one over here, can you see? I did the hand pollination, but apparently it seems it didn't work out. It's completely okay. There might be times even if you do it, it doesn't work out. Probably the pollens didn't transfer well, and there are some which didn't apparently happen to form the female flower, so I could not do it. So this one is dying, this one is already dead, but that's completely fine. Well, there might be times even after this hand pollination you don't end up getting the fruit, but that's completely fine. Just have patience and you will get the results. So do let me know if this tip was helpful, and do like, share and subscribe my Instagram channel Groot Garden Official and my YouTube channel Groot Garden Official for more such videos. Till then, thank you, happy gardening, bye bye.